Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to prepare or generate river network from the SRTM DEM image. So this is very simple tutorial. So this is our DEM image. Before going to do river network or channel network from the SRTM DEM image, we should convert this SRTM DEM into the UTM projection. Okay, because I know that this is a SRTM DEM image which have the geographic coordinate system. Okay, so for that go to the raster projection and warp projection and target CRS, click here, and I know my UTM zone is 45 north, so according to your UTM zone you should select that and click on OK, and then go below and save this reproject DEM image. Okay, I want to save this new folder, that is channel. Okay, and I want to write here this redem. Okay, then click save, click run, close it. So this is our reproject dem. Next, go to processing toolbox and click on this toolbox. And before going to do the channel order or channel network of within this dem image, uh, the first step is that you should do the field sync. So just simple write here FILL and that field sync. You can see within this saga toolbox, that is terrain analysis hydrology, that is field sync Wangandu. Double click here. So within this dem, that should be reproject dem, then field dem. The file should be saved like this. I want to write only fill dem. Okay, then save and uncheck this flow direction, watershed, everything, because don't record now. Then click on run and it will take few seconds. Okay, process complete, close it. So this is the fill dem. Okay, and you can see the value already changes. The previous lowest value was 16, now 28, and highest value was 3596, now it is 3823. So this is the correction actually doing by this fill option. Now I want to do the channel network. So for that, just simply write here channel. Okay, so that is actually within the saga toolbox, channel network and drainage basin. Okay, so new dialog box. So within this elevation, that should be fill dem. Threshold should be as usual. Then uncheck this flow direction, flow connectivity, stellar order, because I don't record all of this now. Drainage basin, I record channel. Okay, and also uncheck the below. So this is the channel I record this. Click here this three dot and just write channel network. Okay, then save and run. Because in this tutorial I want to learn only the channel network of this DEM image. So process completed, close it. So we can see here this is the channel. If I uncheck this previous one and zoom it, and if I want to go to properties, if I want to change the color, I want to take this blue. Okay, I want to change the thickness, apply and okay. So these are the channel network in this study area. Okay, and another thing, I can go open attribute table, and within this open attribute table, if I go here, you can see here order basin also. So different basin as well as order also. Order means the different stream order. Okay, so another thing we can do, that is go to properties. You may go the level. Okay, click here single level, and from this value we can select order. Okay, then click here apply. Okay, and I can, okay, this one. If I zoom it, then you can see the stream order also. So you can do another thing. You can go to fill them, right click here, go to properties, symbology. You can go single one pseudo color, select this one spectral, and also you can do invert color, then apply and OK. So now we can see the higher elevation as well as the lower elevation with the river network. But I want to hide the stream order. So go to properties, go to level and select no level. OK. And another thing you can do, if you want within this raster, then go to analysis, then go to hillset. Okay, so input layer should be fill them. Okay, and go below and save this hillset. Okay, save, run, close it. So take it here, hillset. Okay, then go to here, go to properties, then go to transparency, and it is reduced about 15%. Okay, then apply and OK. So now we can see the 3D view or aspect, or you can also increase some portion. It is like this, apply and OK. So now this is a 3D appearance of your channel network or a study area. So we can do so many things. Okay, so thank you for watching my tutorial. If subscribe my channel for more video and more update. Thank you again.